What you guys doing? Go get him, Skippy. Oh no, the other cabinet. What happened to the floor? Oh, it's the oatmeal. Jay, you sloppy. It's oatmeal all
No,
over
I
the
was
floor.
like shaking it out of the plastic bag and it was like dusty, like there were little
Look at
particles.
Ozzy going in there now. What's in there, you guys? You hiding
Drink
something?
coffee.
Ozzy, what are you doing? What are you doing in there? Huh? What you doing in there? What you doing in there? Huh? You want to come out? Are you going to come out? Ozzy? Are you going to come out from under there? What are you doing? Where's Ozzy, Jane? Last I saw he went in there. Ozzy? What you doing in there? You want to come out? You going to come out? Are you going to come out, silly boy? Come on out. Yeah. Come on. Come on out. Come on. Come out. Yep, yep. Here he comes.